Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Battle Report. Today we'll be still showcasing some of the new changes that we're having here to our Song of Ice and Fire. And today's game will be highlighting a lot of 2.0 stuff combined with a bit of 1.6 stuff. I know that some of you guys might not like it, but it gives us a glimpse of what the game is going to be, and it gives us a bit of understanding of what are the new game modes, what are the new units, what are they capable of. But of course, within the next couple of months, we'll see all these units basically rolled in and stuff. One announcement I'd like to make is also now I'm all part of the guild, ASOIAF guild. So I will be participating also in some guild drops. These are some bi-monthly thing that we're doing. Basically, every couple of months, we release themes based on what are the new things that are happening to the game. And it is in this drop, I would like to represent you some of the new terrains that we have. We're going to be showcasing some of the new terrains that 2.0 have. I know terrains are an integral part of Song of Ice and Fire, and we'll be showing you some of the new terrains that we have, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. As always, if you guys like the video, please leave like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. So hi guys, today we'll be playing the new, which has many sort of new units from the 1.7 or 2.0 as people like to call it, as well as with the new Game of Thrones. So I'm playing today Roose. I think we've seen some updates with Roose that's interesting. And Kai will be playing the updated Howland, which also will be interesting. Today we'll be playing Game of Thrones, which you see some of the, we printed some of these objective tokens. So the new Game of Thrones now basically reads that there are 5 objectives still. All of them are located within a fixed position. So you got one in the center, one 18 inches from the deployment zone, and 6 inches from the side. And this one as well, and then deployment is now 10 inches instead of 6 inches. The other differences as well is a lot of the objectives are now a bit different, as you can see right here. And if your commander is the one holding the objective, you get 2 points instead of just 1. So there's a lot of more emphasis on your field commander basically taking the point. And as we can see, me and Kai, we basically deployed our commander opposite to each other, so we won't be engaging them anytime soon. So also with what we'd like to tell you about this new things is that we're also going to be playing with the new rules for terrain, as well as the new objectives that we have right here. So let's just go through the objectives first. And this one is that while you control this objective, you gain +1 tactics time and draw +1 when you're filling your hand. So no longer that you basically draw when you claim it. So this is a bit different. And this one is that while controlling this objective, when it performs a melee attack, before resolving the attack, the defender becomes weakened. And the one in the center is the same. After the attack is done, they become, when you score points from this objective, one enemy unit within long range, it becomes vulnerable. What's on your side, Pat?
Well, on this side, while controlling this objective, units melee attack gain vicious. And on this side, the main reason I picked this side, when I score points from this objective, one friendly unit in long range of the unit controlling this objective may shift 3 inches.
Nice. That is also a very good one. And we'll be also playing with the new terrain rules. The Happy Tree is unchanged. Forest is changed slightly. Basically now it reads that if you want to make a range attack, this blocks line of sight for range attacks. And if you are inside the forest, you gain +1 to defense against range attacks. Bot becomes now rough and hindering. Hindering now reads basically you don't get the charge bonus when you're charging through it, so it automatically happens. And corpse pile now loses hindering, so it just becomes rough and still -1 to the panic test. So we've drawn our opening hand. They will be playing, so I would like to go first, I think. So let's go. You got Baelish or got Hakan. Okay, let's start with the usual letters. So drawing 2, and let's give a panic token to your guardsman.
Okay, when I go, let's use my proxy for Sansa. Use on horses, and let's move the Crynox, who are 6.
Also, one thing that we should note is that we're playing with 5-2 today, which is unheard of. There's some American meta right there.
Whoa.
All right. I do have little finger. Okay, let's use Baelish. No, I'll do it later. So let's activate Roose first and just march him 8 inches. Should be relatively safe. So still not being able to control the objective yet. On to you.
So this one is when you control, or when they perform a melee attack. Okay. Oh. Let's go with the new berserkers. They're gonna move all the way, or at least as far as I can, while still here. Melee attack against vicious.
Let's move. Mummers is speed 5 or 6.
The new one is 6. Used to be 5, which is why nobody uses them.
Well, knowing start to still have those swift advances, at least for now.
I do.
Okay, well let's make it safe first. Let's go. A Flake Man has no secrets.
Oh.
I spend a panic token. Let me see your hand. Oh no, this is
the
this
big one.
Nazis.
Yeah.
So remembers. Let's get rid of devastating impact. Don't want that. And now it's my turn to activate. I guess I'll just activate the mercs and move 10 inches. Go ahead. See, this is a bit of a mistake. The Roose should be probably in the middle because, but we'll see.
I will go first. You don't have movement tricks.
No, this is the Merc army. Well, neutrals.
Let's move that all the way. 12. And you go.
That's scary.
Oh, it's not. It's 4+ to hit.
That's true.
But they are cheaper, so.
Okay. Let's activate the mummers and let's get them to move 12. So I'll be just behind the corpse pile. Let's
So this is only rough, but not hindering. So
Yeah.
your charge range will be. No, you can somewhat charge me.
yeah, so it's
here.
it's basically 1+.
Yeah. Well, I don't have to stand there now.
Oh, you can charge me first.
Really? I don't think that's a good idea either. So if I'm here, you'll need a 5+ to get to me, which
Yep.
is something I can live with.
And Merc, of course, doesn't have. Oh, I kept saying Merc. It's because we were talking about like War Machine.
Oh, that's true.
All right, let's put him here. You can still charge me on 3+. All right, that's
Let me use
acceptable.
one of these. I have a lot.
Oh, yeah, sure. This is a bit annoying.
Yeah, like that's a very primitive way to play war games.
Yep. Well.
That might offend some of the viewers. Let's see. So if I move, I do get quick fire, but I'm only here, and then I get to shift 1, but that's. Oh. I might be able to shoot you. Okay. Here's proper. I can move 5 and then 1.
Oh, the panic token is gone because of the.
Oh, you used it, yeah. No, it's slightly out. I can move 5 and then shift 1 and then shoot 6.
Calculated.
Well, yeah, we've been playing games that doesn't allow pre-measuring lately, so this is somewhat refreshing. I think I'm okay with this. When you score points.
Well, sword is open.
So I'll just be slightly. There you go.
Well, I guess let's put the resources on counter charging duty. So they'll be here. Oh, my banner is loose.
Okay, so here we go. First, when I do this, that is Roddy, which puts vulnerable there because I am claiming the sword.
Oh, okay.
I'm pretty
I
sure
thought that was 100 for a second.
What? No. Clearly has a helmet there.
Oh, that's true.
They have the same pose, same sword, same everything, so you can't blame me. I'm just checking to see if the critical goes to range. I don't think it does. Where's the NC?
I think it's melee. Melee.
Yeah, it's probably melee. That's right. So yeah, you only become vulnerable.
Mm-hmm.
And now I shoot you
Yep.
with my 4+ contractor. Those already move, so I don't get my bonus.
Yep.
8 shots.
8 shot at 4+.
4+.
The new normal.
Oh, that's really good.
I'm gonna use adaptive methods.
And
I'm
you
gonna
try
resolve.
to-
No, I'm gonna resolve the bottom part first because I control letter.
Oh, so you
So
move that to
I move this to this, and then it becomes a weakened.
Oh, okay.
So
And I-
reroll that. Yeah. Okay.
Only 3.
Acceptable. Let me take some
And
dice.
this is spent.
Yes. The token economy. 3, 4+. Oh, okay, of course.
Okay.
3 dead. Lucky there's a bag open. And then panic test at 6.
Oh, but there's
Next to the tree. Nope, I see lion, no problem.
Problem.
So
you just heal it.
I'll just heal with. No, I guess it doesn't even matter. I'll heal 3. And on to you. Yes, I like it.
I do. Those guys will probably hit me. So let's just go here and protect the flank of these guys.
Okay, cool. Okay.
That's everything.
Since Roose now has a bit of an interesting token synergy with himself, anti-synergy, so I'm going to discard Fear Keeps a Man Alive and Heavily Cruelty.
Okay.
And let's take it off. I need to put some round trackers.
What?
Round trackers.
Okay. I also have.
And just put them there. This
This
is
is
round.
round.
Yep.
And I do go first.
Yes, sir. So draw 2. Now we're at round 2. The clash will happen.
Ah!
It's just which button Kai will pull first.
Let's see. I think the first one will definitely be this.
Yep.
I'm gonna put vulnerable again on these guys. We have a second.
Well, I don't have to. Well, I don't. I don't.
Oh,
know.
it's triggered after.
Yep.
So I'll just shoot you.
Yep.
8. I do get rerolls because you haven't activated.
Yes.
Oh.
This is painful. Ow.
Everything hits.
Ow. 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 That's not cool.
4+.
Well, I thought we were going with less killy.
Well,
Apparently, Crown of Smith with sword still does that.
this still goes here.
All right. 4+ with rerolls. That's a lot.
Reroll all this. 6 successes.
Because I haven't activated yet.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
just activate that guy after this and you're good.
Oh no. The Roddy gives me the vulnerable. Okay. The reroll is from
The
there.
reroll is from the warden.
Okay. So
6 dead.
6 dead.
Awesome.
And panic test at 6.
Well, no.
Just succeeds. They might activate again, but oh well. Let's resolve. Let's go Baelish. I'll do this, but I'll take the heal.
Okay.
And then 1 second.
Just surveying things.
Yeah, yeah. Just oh, yeah. Never mind. This is actually no. I have to use it now. So I'll just use Cunning Scheme to take back adaptive methods.
Okay. That one.
No,
you control this.
It's
So
start
that's
of a
the-
friendly. It's start of a friendly turn.
Okay.
So it doesn't work the way I liked it to work, but yeah.
Okay. My go.
Yes.
And you Sansa.
Mm-hmm.
That. Oh, you. But then you'll heal again.
That's Baelish for you.
Hmm.
And get the double dip.
So I just have to kill more than 3 for it to.
Yeah, sure. Oh, you get the Snapfire, yeah?
Can I shoot these guys instead? No, I definitely can, but then I'll be way too close for my liking. So
Mhm.
I'll be here
Yep.
just to control this. And
Mhm.
I'll shoot you again. 8.
Yep.
Rerollable.
Man.
I am really
What?
7 hits.
My god. Those craftsmen are on fire.
They are.
Alright, 4+.
All you have to do is heal. Oh, 6 damage.
My God.
Can they die from this?
They can. That's a huge possibility. Man, Cranoxman, what the hell?
Yeah, haven't even activated it with us.
Yeah, that's insane.
We got
Sea Lion.
Mm-hmm.
Man, they haven't activated!
I want to activate them.
What is this bullshit?
How is this a problem?
What is heal first?
Now I shoot them.
Yeah,
Let's see if they die.
that's nuts.
Well,
And Jakan attaches to just these guys.
so those guys have precision now.
Yep. Oh wait, Roderick is influence, right?
Yep, I put them here.
What do they actually give?
They get critical.
So I'll copy. Oh,
They already have critical.
yeah, but I can choose the other one. So you cannot play. What's the other one?
With the other, for jacket? The one is give precision, the other one you can copy one of mine and see.
No, as in like, what's the second?
Oh, for those, lose ability, so I cannot use this free retreat thingy dealy yet.
Yep.
Okay, so
I'm copying
that,
Roderick.
and then he's going there.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, okay. That's interesting because that means I can take sword and copies the vulnerable as well.
With him, yeah. Well, it depends on when he becomes.
Yeah, it's one of those interesting things.
On the
So
ship.
you're activating these guys, right?
Yeah, before.
Apparently 4+ is so easy to hit, huh?
No, that's only 3. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Now it's 7.
7 hits. What? How is this? How is this average?
It's a 4+ with reroll.
How is this average? Man, how is this average? My God. How is this average?
Die.
4+.
1, 2.
How is this average?
4,
5 dead. 1 left.
Still alive. Well, if you fail, then round as a die.
How is this average?
Die! Well, I guess this is why people like him.
That's true. Oh. Nope.
Ah! Yeah.
Alright, let's punch.
This guy finally rolls.
Alright, let's punch you before bad things happen.
Are you activating those
I'm
guys?
activating those guys.
He won't fit here, so he has to.
I have to, yeah, almost like you discharge your outriders. And then make sure that you can retreat.
Yeah, that's fine. I will go with. I'm okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I know you have the trap, right?
Yeah, I guess you see it.
I've seen it.
But it's too close for me to.
Yeah, I can only from the front, I think. I'm gonna make sure that it's not clipping the bog. Because this is.
Yes.
Kind of Alright, 1+.
I mean.
It's disorderly, I guess. Oh well. Okay, so 8 dice. 3, 6, 8. 3 plus. Critical, and you cannot use
No,
ability.
you have to pick one.
I have both, because I have Japan and that.
Oh, you critical from the. Yeah.
Oh, so sorry. So it's only 7 dice.
Yeah.
Because it's +1 and critical.
Oh, correct.
Yeah. Oh, but it's
Critical.
what the hell is this?
For
Only 4 hits?
Are they for 3+?
It's 3+, yeah.
Because they're 7 points.
And I don't really roll.
4 hits, yeah. And
Not my day.
4+.
Yep.
1 damage. I am lucky.
Not my day. Not my day.
I'm far from anything,
Yeah.
so just a 6+.
What is this?
2.
Okay.
So I lose
Alright,
1.
that's
That's not
something.
bad. That's not bad.
You can't retreat.
Okay, so what do I can charge those guys, but then that's Roose. Let's just punch you with these guys, I suppose.
Yep.
It's they have 8 attacks, don't they? 'Cause
Yep, it's 8 dice and 3+.
there's a 3+ with critical,
Oh yeah, because you have that.
but no reroll, so
Yeah.
should be okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty decent, I think. 6 hits, 5+.
5.
1,
Oh,
2,
that's something.
3, 4.
Only
Only
2
2.
wounds.
That's nice.
That's a bit of a karma right there. Okay, so 2 wounds.
Now you make a save at 6. Fail!
I fail, I'll auto succeed. Work every work.
Because you control.
So I control that.
This one already activated.
And basically this one has elusive escape, yeah.
Oh
I
yeah.
forgot what it does.
If you escape,
If I roll a retreat, I can reroll and you cannot
it
pivot,
used
right?
to be you take damage.
Yeah, but this one I think is you cannot pivot, right? You can.
Yeah.
But I think it's correct. Uh,
No, but I forgot if it deals damage or a token. I think they nerfed it before it came out. So
that's true. Okay, let me just measure something, yeah, real quick. So this is here. If I'm here, can I be here? Yes, and that cannot charge me. All right. But if I weaken you, if I weaken you, you get basically more hits. Oh, you can already punch at like full rank anyway.
what? Why?
Because of this thing.
Oh yes, once per.
Yeah, alright, I'll activate these guys first. Let's activate, charging the Zerkers. I think we established that it's not
When
good.
you do that, I
Minus
will
two.
use Block Devil Ambush.
Yeah.
Sorry, Krynos track. So -2 speed.
Mhm.
You're now speed 4.
Yep, so 3 plus.
So yeah, but
Let me-
it depends on.
Let me
just
shift,
it.
yeah, let me put it first, please. I think it's 3 plus.
This is you wanna be slightly like so, right? Closest to closest. Okay, let's say 3 plus.
Alright, that's suddenly
It is weakened though because
within long range of that.
within long range of a Krynos unit, yeah.
I can just not do anything.
Just kill that guy.
Yeah, but like if I charge here at 3 plus, I'll be, if I fail, I'll be here. And then I'm weakened, so I don't get.
You'll be okay.
I guess those critical bastards. I'm sure those will get nerfed.
I'm sure.
I 100% will get nerfed that one. Huh. This is so 3 plus. 3 actual plus. This is 6%. Okay. It's a fun battle report. Oh,
Alright.
I see a lion. Okay, cool. I am weakened. So I shall be healed. Let's just reroll so we can leave it. It's 7 dice, right?
Yeah.
At 3 plus?
7 and 4.
4 plus, right. That's an activation. It's a 4 plus. Reroll because I'm charging.
Ooh, shit.
Reroll because I'm weakened.
Yeah.
Oops.
6 hits. Only 1 misses, so reroll 6 dice.
4 plus.
1, 2,
how
3,
about 4?
4.
Yep.
4 at 5 plus. 3 dead, and then a panic test at
Minus
-1. Yo, he gets vicious.
I have vicious, yes.
So that's an 8.
Yep. Fail, please.
Fail.
So fail, you take
More than
2,
one more.
you get weakened, and I chop you off.
So I take 1 extra from him.
No, because
This is Vargo.
That's
This is a
Vargo,
different
yeah.
guy, yeah.
So that's to the viewers at home. Basically, Vargo now has an ability. We can resolve whenever an enemy unit fails a panic test, they get weakened. And then because Vargo says whenever it completes a melee attack, I can spend the weaken to destroy an attachment. So basically, Kai took 2 wounds from the panic test. Yeah.
Yeah.
You took 3 and then 2 and then you have 1.
3, 2, and then 1. So total of
Yep.
6.
Yes, that's correct.
And I took out the
Yes.
leader.
Pretty good.
But the weekend is spent. Yeah?
Weaken is spent, yes.
Okay.
So that's the cost of it, which is fair.
I'm gonna go with them.
Yep. So now you hit on a 3 plus.
Yes, now 3 plus and 8 dice.
Mhm.
But I cannot use my ability.
Insight.
Because you killed me.
I
So
did.
only 3 plus. That's not bad.
Only 3 plus. Oh, sorry, it's 4 plus because.
Okay.
Oh wow, only
I
2.
think only 2 hits.
And then you take counter attacks.
So I take 6 hits.
Oh wow. Okay.
Oh, Jesus.
All right, so 5 plus first for me. 1 hit. And then panic test at 8.
So I lose 5 more dice.
All right. Oh,
That's nasty.
That's nasty. But now you're at your final rank, which is perfect. I succeed. No, I fail because my base is 7. Oh no, it's 8.
You
Right.
succeeded.
Yes, I succeeded.
Ooh, Jesus.
Ouch.
I came on 6. Yeah, this is the part about 1.7 that's still a bit iffy to me. There's so many defensive damage.
Yeah, defensive damage is the correct term.
And if I attack you from the side, I still get hit. I might still get hit for a while.
Yes, that is correct.
Right. That's fine.
That's my turn now. That's active. That's protective flank of Fargo. So at the very least, you want to charge these guys. Charge these guys.
Yeah. Do I wanna? No, I'll do this. I think I wanna score.
Yeah, 2 points is good. Do you have free retreat with the craftsman?
No.
I suppose I'll just lock you down first.
Devil ambush.
So
You take D3 plus 2
shit,
damage.
I'm dead.
Oh, D3, but -1.
Oh.
5 plus. Just need to fail 1. Don't roll triple 5.
Damn it, Bob Devil ambush.
Yeah. Just don't roll out.
Ah.
Almost.
You get 1 point. Okay.
Woo.
Well, at the very least, I'm trading the berserkers with.
I don't know.
But it is a 9-point unit, so you know, hey,
Oh yeah.
the economy is there. Oh, that's my turn, by the way. I'm done.
Oh yeah, it is your turn.
AKA your turn.
Moved.
So you're kind of final activation of berserkers.
Final activation if I can charge them if I want to.
If you charge me, you deny me of the points.
But this is still -1.
Yeah, it's still rough. Yes. Ooh.
And you're controlling nothing.
At the moment, I control nothing correct.
So if you take that,
We each get 2 points.
I could sacrifice those guys if I want to, but I don't think attacking those guys are a good idea, honestly. So I'll just stay here, and maybe
Wise decision. No.
I'll just do this and set it up for later.
Good choice. Good choice. I guess those guys will just.
What's this one? This is vicious. This is one becomes vulnerable.
Okay. So that was turn 2. That was a lot of things happening. I will get rid of nothing. So let's take away this. Let's resolve objects. So objectives are scored all at the same time.
Oh, okay.
But controlling player resolves their ability first, if any. So you get to shift me first.
Wait a minute. I did go first. Yeah.
So you can.
So who shifts 3 here? I can go with these guys. Or I can
So fun fact with Chronos, but if you haven't activated the order, you can actually shift B and like.
No,
shoot.
I don't think so. Because the quick fire is when you move. I
Oh,
don't think
shit,
shift
okay.
counts. First, I cannot retreat. If I move here,
If you can retreat, that'll be kind of nasty.
of course, I can move 2 there. Actually, I can't because assuming the 1-inch thing is still a thing,
The 1-inch thing is still a thing.
I cannot
that's
stop
true.
within.
Yep. Okay.
Because you moved here, this is legal.
So you
but
can shift these or shift those.
I'm gonna shift these guys then.
Yep. So only you just.
If I want to.
Yep. Yes. You still get the token because it's checked and then it's resolved.
Yeah.
And then.
One becomes vulnerable. Let's make this guy vulnerable.
So you actually got 4 points.
Aha. 4 points. 5.
I got 2.
But that Vargo, I need to do something about that Vargo.
So now it's round 3. You're at.
You go first.
You're at 5 points, right?
I'm at 5 points. I kill 1, then I control 3. You get 2, so you're. Oh yeah, because you didn't kill anything yet.
So now they're punching at how much? But I want to.
9 at 2 plus, but a single miss would probably kill them.
Okay, let's.
I'll discard everything. That's generally how you win the game, yeah.
I'm guessing the best way for me to actually win the game is I have to break through these guys, but then these guys get a shift and shoot at these guys.
Well, not if you activate them first, then I don't get the reroll.
Well, on the off chance that I just want to block the Roderick, so I'll give the vulnerable to these guys.
Okay.
And yep, these guys will punch. No, these guys. And then yep, you'll punch.
Oh boy, so you're gonna die.
So 3, 6, 7, and 4 plus. Okay. There you go. 5 hits.
5 hits at 5 plus should die.
Yep.
Yes. You get 1 point.
1 point, and I get a switch fork. Because I think this is what's. Otherwise, I cannot touch your Howland.
Oh man. So.
Oh, actually, yeah, I can only shift like this.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna have to charge me from the front. They give the weaken automatically after the attack, or do I have?
I don't have weaken. It's weaken is after I attack.
Oh.
Hmm.
Did we like? So they don't
No.
synergize with it. They don't automatically let them.
No.
Okay.
Basically, the weak. So Vargo has weakened resolve,
Yeah.
which reads
After
if you fail a panic test,
Yes, I fail a panic test.
you take a weaken. Yeah.
Well, leave this is probably best. We need to kill those guys.
Oh, and Japan influences these guys.
Yeah.
So they gain critical. Oh, Japan copying Roderick gains critical.
Okay, I'm gonna do this.
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Mm-hmm.
I'll move 5.
Yep, and then shoot you from the back.
That's the aim, yeah.
Yep.
Is it the back though?
I think still the.
I think it's just flank.
Yep.
Which I'm okay with, as long as that's still good.
Yep.
Yes.
Is it going on 5 plus?
5 plus?
Yep.
I do get.
It's not bad.
Not bad. I do get 3 rolls,
Yep.
so.
Oh wow!
5.
5 hits.
Well, it would have been.
5 plus on reroll is actually still quite decent.
I suppose it's not the worst.
6s. Oh wow, look at those 6s. You get?
Only 6. And then final test at -2.
Yep. Oops. So we can put. Carlson's still pretty nasty.
So 9?
9 correct. Parts to up that. I don't. Yep. 2.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I guess activate. Any cards?
No, I'm good.
Punch. I think it's up in.
Yeah, roll it first.
Okay.
Although you might not hang on. You fit.
50% please.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
50% is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any cards to play?
Mm.
Oh, but you haven't activated, you can shoot me there. So I guess. This one definitely. Oh, this one actually.
What's your guy?
Oh,
Yes.
shit, it was my guy, sorry.
What about 100%?
Yeah, but I want these guys to come
But
back.
these guys have, when they shoot, it's short range, so I think you're okay. Even if I move.
I mean, it's at -1, and then it's at 5 plus that, and you also panic test from that, so I think it's fine.
Okay.
I think it's okay. Alright, so I'm hitting at 5 plus because of Howland, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 7.
Oh, sorry. You get vulnerable and panic on this one.
Oh.
Because of Howland's order. But not, I didn't declare it, that's fine. I'll use it later.
What's the dice?
For the second rank,
Mm-hmm.
I do have it here. I was just opening it, so you're getting that. 7, 5, 4, 4 plus.
Okay.
So 5 hits. 5 pluses.
5 pluses with 0. I'm just looking for the fishes to kill Howland. Okay, that's good.
2 hits.
Oh, 3, 4 hits.
4 hits.
4.
3 dead.
And panic at -3.
Panic -3. I'll use Gyro Fervor, but only for -2, making them an 8. And if I fail, Howland dies.
Howland. Please fail.
They
Yes!
die!
So
So 1, and
and
then
then
Howland
Howland.
dies.
Oh, Fargo!
Fargo's good.
Fargo's good! Oh, alright. I am somewhat back in the game now. I'm still behind quite a fair bit.
You are. I still control this because you don't.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's
It's really
still
cool.
1 point.
2 points.
2 points.
And that's it.
Okay. We'll see what happens. So,
Oh! I forgot actually that critical, and I think I missed. It's fine.
Oh. Okay.
I don't think I rolled a 6. It's fine.
So what do I do now? I can't allow you to heal.
Unblock the games.
I'll block the heal, and then I'll use sudden charge.
I forgot that this is still a start.
These guys are now.
Yep.
Probably.
I forgot that it's still a start.
I got it.
Yep.
So from the side. Oh, where did I put my? Oh, I forgot to put this guy up. Just to be fair, I'll put it there.
Yep. It's
Right.
still a start unit.
This is 4 plus 7 attacks. Oh, I'll use insight. So that's a 9 dice.
Yeah.
And now vicious.
Nice.
Rerolling all the misses. Ugh. Oh, that's good. 7 hits from the flank. You're vulnerable.
So 6s. So 6s.
Yes. All the damage.
So 3, 6, 7. So 2 plus 1 more.
Vicious and
I'll just roll first.
flank. So just -2.
Yeah,
9.
so 9. So take, looks like that. With extra 1.
Still alive. Still alive. This
Oh.
is not activated yet.
Yep. That's the unfortunate. I guess I have to activate these guys before
Before
they die, so.
I'm gonna retreat.
What's the point of retreating? Yeah, there's no reason.
staying alive.
Yeah, but like you're a cavalry unit.
That's true.
Yeah, so I'll just activate them and I'll just punch.
Okay.
Let me cards that can help with that. The answer is I don't, so 2.
So,
Or-
which ability are you using?
Plus 1 dice
This one and okay.
then you can retreat.
Yeah.
No, I'll use the second dice.
Okay.
So it's only 5. No, 6 dice. No, it's 7, 5, right?
I think so.
7, 5, that's 4 plus. That's 3 plus.
That's the same.
So yeah. There you go. Okay.
For hits, 2, and then I can make a regular.
Yep.
You want a vulnerable, the successful one, by the way.
Oh, yeah, sure.
There's a vulnerable here.
Yep. Okay, got that.
One more, so you did enough to like reduce it.
You haven't activated.
No, they haven't. Did I make my panic test? Not yet, right?
So that's 6.
6 is.
Oh!
Well, that's fine. The rank can get reduced, so. Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna go with. If I back out, is that 6?
I think you just roll 1 and
No, I want to kill this guy.
Oh,
And
yes.
if I do, that means I will not be able to retreat that shit.
Yep.
But it is 1 point.
It is 1 point.
I do need to clear
And these
that.
guys are free to maybe like.
So I'll just hit you, but this time it's only 7.
Yep. And 4 plus. I could survive.
Only 3 hits.
I could survive. I could, but probably not.
That's 6s up here.
6s. Nope.
He's dead. Get 1 more point.
The sources finally can split up against the outriders. Your outrider can shift as well.
No, the outrider
Oh,
gets
sorry,
yeah. So this guy gets to move.
Yep. This is very nice.
Unfortunately, so this is here, and it's fine. No. Oh no, because I then click that. So I'll just go like so.
Okay, that's fair. I don't want this to shoot that, so I guess I'll charge you.
This one gets to
Yep.
but I'm just like
Yep.
so that guy's gonna charge me.
Yep.
Paradox trap. -2. Weakened.
My speed, and so my speed is now.
So your speed.
So weaken is from this thing, right?
Excuse me.
Weaken is from this thing. That's
So weaken, yeah. So your speed is -3.
So
Speed of 2.
So no, speed of 2. So
That's a 3 plus
3
on
plus.
2 dice.
no more.
Oh, okay. So just 3 plus.
Yep. It's just now like
No
it's either
power.
out or fail. Yeah. No 2 dice.
Okay.
I've done it once.
You have.
I've done it once. Can I do it twice? I can.
Can. They are weakened and they do not get such stuff.
Huh?
But
I still get the charge bonus.
oh, because
Because Pranapop is what?
no, I thought the new hindering is you don't roll.
No. This is rough and.
Oh, it's only rough.
It's only
yeah,
rough.
yeah.
This one is the.
Yes. My bad.
Yep. It's okay. It's a new roll. 4 plus. You're vulnerable because of that.
I'm not 4 plus. He's dead.
No. As in like you are vulnerable because you haven't activated.
Oh yeah. Should have activated that first. But hitting this.
You might have not remembers.
I don't have anything in hand.
Oh, you discarded the not remembers because I saw it in your hand.
Yeah, I did.
Anyway, 3 plus. It should be the 4 plus, but at the moment we're just using 3 plus.
Yeah.
Reroll everything.
Reroll everything. Oh, you had 1 miss, didn't you? No? Everything was hit?
I think everything was hit.
3 plus.
Yeah, it was a bit too quick, sorry.
No problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's almost enough for a kill.
Almost.
It
4?
has vicious, so I think they're good.
I will.
Only 2.
Vulnerable that, yes.
Vulnerable these.
Oh.
Hey, only 4 dead, so.
Oh, no.
Oh, it is possible to kill it still.
It's not being tested is the important part.
That's true, but I hope they don't die.
-3. Critical.
-3, so it's a 9.
Yep. Critical fail, please.
Oh, nice! Oh no!
Okay.
He's back in the game.
I'm back in the game.
You get 1.
I get 1. And I get the shifts. This one gets to search for, this one gets to look for. So I think this one I'll take this egg, because this egg looks good.
Yeah.
And this one gets this is the back, yeah.
You get pivot.
Yeah. No, as in like, yeah, basically. I just changed facing.
Oh, yeah. I do go first.
Yes.
So,
Oh, you can shoot these guys, but yeah,
can I? 6.
I think so.
So this is going to be here, and then 6. Yeah, I can.
Yeah, you can.
But
You're still in the objective, I think it's fine.
yeah, definitely.
Now you have these activities still.
Can they die from that? They totally can.
They totally can.
Because
It's -2 because of this. Yeah, it's -2.
wait, minus. What do you mean -6?
Sorry, it's -3 because I have scary.
Oh, and they have -3 because they have full range.
Yeah.
So -4, -3, that's a 9. But the damage is just D3 plus 1.
D3 plus 1, yes.
Which might be enough. What do I do with these guys?
I can
I'll do that. I'll do that later. So let's just shoot with these guys first.
Yep. Sounds good.
Because you know these guys. So it's a 5 plus.
The 5 plus.
Agile is so good. That's 3 hits.
5 plus.
Okay.
Right. Oh my god! The dice reverses
Okay.
just in time. is what I'd like to say here.
Okay.
Right.
Luckily,
That's actually a little finger. I'll just take this and resolve the letter. And I have to discard one because of.
isn't it in the ground?
No, it just happens.
The second you have more than 5.
Yeah, I have to discard one. So I will discard bribery. And then this is your final activation, yeah?
Hasn't these guys moved?
No.
Yeah,
Because we took out each one activation from each other.
Yeah, so that was my shot. Now it's your turn.
I let her.
Oh, there, okay.
At the start of any turn, I know this probably doesn't. Do I keep this? 1 second, yeah?
This might kill those guys if I charge them. 6, rerolls, 4 plus.
No, I'll keep it for now. Go ahead.
I have to.
Yeah.
I'll just go here and then 5.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, there they are.
Yep.
Fine. And then I believe that's a 1 plus.
Yep. And I think I get some cap tokens.
You get weakened and panicked.
Yep. Bush right, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, I'll just wait.
I'm at 4 plus rerolls.
Yes.
Oh! Only 1. Oh man, and 3 criticals.
And you have critical, yeah. Well,
So
don't be one needs to have you first. I'm gonna give you adaptive methods.
So I get weakened.
So the panic goes to you and then it becomes weakened.
Okay, so 1 miss.
Yep. Aha!
So only 3 hits,
Yeah.
and 3 hits to me. At least I don't die from
Yeah.
this.
I might die from this. I'll just use the
3 hits. 1 more wound.
I'll use wealth and panic. So I block D3.
So that was a 3 hit.
Yeah. So I have 2. So I don't die from this. So 6s. Jesus.
At least 1.
Yep. And then -2. Yeah. That, of course.
2 more.
Yep. Okay. Cool. Okay.
I'm gonna shoot them after this. I might die.
Yep. Yeah, you have to just take a panic test, but it's fine. This one, I don't think I can charge you while controlling the objective as well, right? So I'm just gonna stand there. Alright. Let's do some cleanup.
Okay. I get 1. Oh no, I get
2.
only 1. This is only one. Center is only 1 now.
Yeah, so it's 2 points.
No, I don't.
Yeah,
Slightly
yeah, so
off.
1 point.
So 1 point, I'm at 7.
I get 3. We're both at 7.
Right.
Ooh, game is super tight. I like it. Okay, 3. Let's take these off. Let's resolve the objective. I get a shift 3.
So it's either these guys.
Yeah, I'll just shift back. Because I might want to catch the outrider as they clean these guys up. Or not.
And then that one is nothing.
No, actually no. I don't do anything. Because I can't change my facing, so it's a moot point. This one does nothing. This one tactics. This card.
Sounds really hard to use. Because she's a zone replace. And
On
with
this card,
only 2.
the Flame Man has no secrets.
Oh, I can draw 3 cards. Because I don't have any cards whatsoever.
Go 2. So now it's the start of round 3. Kai seems to be controlling the middle objective, but my army has successfully cleaned up the Howland, thanks to Vargo. Wow.
You will still be getting 2 points.
Yes, so I have the advantage of points, but Kai has the advantage of kill.
Somewhat.
I think he's gonna.
This is definitely the right move.
Yeah.
No, I have to take that or that. It works either way. So I'm just gonna use this here. I'm gonna move them a little bit because they can maneuver.
Yep.
Here, and then they'll shoot at you. You do become vulnerable from this. Okay, 5+ with rerolls.
Yep.
Which is bad. Nothing.
Well, reroll.
Oh boy, I only needed like a few hits. That is only 2 hits.
Oh, 2 hits on 5s.
Nice. Jesus.
Okay.
Oh no, yeah.
Alright, can Fargo survive this on 8?
Yes, because it's still the front.
Yep.
Yes,
Survive on 8. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. What's the last rank? This thing? Sorry. Sorry, I kept asking. I think 4, right?
I think so. 7, 5, 4.
Okay.
Attack with those guys.
Alright, I'm gonna use Baelish to take money back, and I'm gonna resolving sword. I'm gonna shift like so. Shall be 100% here. And I'll punch 4 dice. On 4. Very first thing. This is such a greedy play. Because the correct play is. Only 1 hit.
Only 1 hit. I can survive.
You can on a 4+.
Yes.
Ah shit. Well, that play was moot. Oh, sorry. You need to make a panic test from.
There's no. Oh yeah. That's true.
Oh, no problem.
Okay. So next up, he already healed. I can punch him and then he dies. Or I can shoot him and then he dies. I kind of like the shooting and then him dying bit.
No,
He hasn't activated yet.
No, because that was from the replacement sword.
So my Sansa isn't really getting anything back. Like her order is still full. I'll use that. Oh, sorry again. I keep missing my. So this is 5+ with rerolls. Okay.
No.
1, 2, 3. Ooh, 1 hit.
Well, there you go.
That's decent. Should die.
So 5 hits, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Almost. Dead.
And then I can panic test at 6. Oh, 7.
7.
Got it. Just got
problem.
it.
Cool.
Pivot like so.
Yep. Yeah, that was Well, viewers would see that I have spousal foil in my hand. So if that dies, I heal D6.
Oh, that's why.
So that's why I wanted to take but it didn't pan out as I'd like it to be, unfortunately. Which is karma, I guess.
I will still get 1. I just need a few more.
I suppose I need to crown zap you.
I don't think you can kill me even with the crown zap though. Because there's 1,
That's
2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's what?
2 wounds. And then.
What?
Oh, yeah, you're right. 1 left. 1 left. Oh shit! It was so close to dying, I didn't realize.
Yeah, I know. Nothing is activated. Yeah. Well, I played a gamble. It didn't work out. I can take a crown zap. I'll take a Gallus crown zap real quick.
So I'm at 7, I'm at 8.
Hold on. So just so that you don't play Northern Philosophy, I'll use Press Remedy.
You mean North Remembrance?
No, Northern, that plus
Oh,
Horford, Werewolf Horford, yeah.
I think I'm outside of it though.
Okay, yeah.
So it's 7.
It's 7.
Got it.
No problem.
No more zaps, no more NCUs. Jeez, this is a weird one. Let's see. I could do that. I could kill them if I want to. Ish. I don't think I can actually. They haven't activated yet. points. So
If you're not doing anything, I'm not doing anything. Oh, Japan will influence these guys for that.
because they're speed 4, right?
Yeah, speed 4. I mean, I just sit here and like gain 2 points.
But
Yeah, you do get to charge me, so.
if you don't do anything, I win though. I'm at 8. If I get 2 more, I win.
Oh shit, you're right. I do have to charge you. Well, you can just claim this and you can just.
I don't want to be anywhere within their line of sight.
Yeah, but you have the final activation because you still.
that's true.
Yeah.
So I have 1, 2. You have 1, 2. Because hey, I went first. Oh, but I had more units.
No, yeah, you had no units at the start, and you killed my guys who haven't activated.
It's true.
So that was my one shot to basically try to win this game.
Yeah.
So you just basically move here and then play this, so that's already 2 points. Yep, there's no way of me winning this game. Actually, I can probably force a tie. I can actually force a tie.
Okay. And then we go on more.
I'm at 7, right? You're at 8.
Yeah.
You're at 10. I'm at 10.
If you can, I mean.
Oh no, you're at 3, right? Darn it. Yeah.
This will give me 2, so mine will be.
No, because this thing you can just glue here.
Oh yes, absolutely.
That was my basically like this was my chance of trying to kill you, but it didn't work out. I don't have any cards that can help me with this right now. No, I don't have it. Maybe I should have used this card. Yeah, because even if I charge you, I don't think I can deal enough damage to.
First of all, that's a 3 plus, which
Yeah,
is too hard. But then you lose your 2 points.
Yeah, I mean, even if I get them to like low enough, I lose 2 points. So basically, then you'll be still at 10 because you're getting this. Yep. I got nothing. So.
Alright, good game. Whoa. Okay, that was a bunch of fun stuff.
Yeah, this one I cannot handle.
Yeah. We're both at 5 CU, weren't we?
We're both at 5 CU.
But you had a lot of squishies.
I have a lot of squishies, and you pull off the triple tap with these guys with Batrep.
Oh, I wonder why I haven't used them before. They're pretty good for 6 points.
Yep, that's pretty good. I should have foreseen this.
These guys were probably not the best matchups against them.
Yeah. They were too far forward from.
They took too many hits.
Yeah, they took too many hits, and then I didn't respond it properly. But yeah, it's fine. Like I think I want them to sort of take the plunge, and then I managed to clean up this flank. This was my attempt to. Man, 4 dice at 4 plus is difficult.
If you beat me, we're at a tie. Yeah, if you beat me, we would be tied.
We would be at a tie, correct? We would be at a tie, and then it's just basically operation 3 points per turn for me.
Yeah, you would have won.
Yeah, I would have won.
I think so.
But yeah, so that was a showcase of some of the new things that are coming to 2.0. Of course, this is not the full look at the factions yet, but as we can see, the game, even though that we see that the game was complained that it's it's going to be much longer, it will be etc. But look at this scenario.
Well,
Back then in Game of Thrones, at least in 1.6, turn 1 was just moving forward. So there was a lot of like turn 1 doing nothing. Turn 1, we've already seen like everybody already very close. So it becomes like sort of a Death with Dragon scenario where turn 2 you already engage.
Also, the commander getting you 2 points even if they're in a far corner. That's a big deal. Because that's probably where your commanders will always be, in a corner somewhere, getting 2 points, being protected by another unit. But it does mean you have to do something about their commander because.
Yep. I mean, it's very balanced in the sense that both commanders basically farming there doing nothing.
Symmetrical.
Yeah, very symmetrical, and basically it's just the rest of the army. And then if you want to commit on a flank, which I did, you have to sort of commit. Otherwise, you won't achieve nothing, and then you'll just lose out the points. And I think it's a good showcase to
That's a scary unit.
That's a scary unit.
That's a scary unit.
To be fair, it is 9 points. It is 8 points.
Yeah.
It's
6 plus 2.
Yeah.
8, yeah.
It is 8 points.
But it shows you that they're really serious when they say that units 8 points up will be much scarier, because that is a scary unit. It kills commanders, which is a big deal. You lose your extra VP. It's hard to kill because of agile, and it hits you back really hard. I lost like 6 guys attacking it. Jesus.
Yeah, that was good. I guess we'll clean up and then we'll do some debriefing after this. So, despite what everyone says about the game maybe being a bit longer, etc., I think that was a fairly short game. That was what, 3 rounds?
I think that was 3 rounds.
That was 3 rounds. Wow. So, what do you think of like the new stuff in general, Kai?
Well, I like that the objectives, they don't really determine the winner, because in the old one, some of the objective cards are so high impact that if you get that side of the table, you have a very unfair advantage. This feels a lot more fair. They're bonuses instead of game-changing effects, so I like that. I like the symmetry of it, which I think makes it fair. Because all the objectives are now placed in a specific coordinate instead of people being able to move them around.
I've seen some weird games where it's like, if you're fighting against Barati, you put them like in the middle. If you're playing Stark, you put them way back so your wolves just like control it.
Yeah.
But yeah, the fact that it's now a static objective kind of reminds me of like Howland Ready in a bit, that it's basically fixed right now. So yeah, I like it. Neutrals definitely have some potential right now. Even unit which is lauded upon in like 1.6, Mummers plus Gargon now has killed his commander. So pretty good. You don't really like the new Sansa, do you?
No, not really. Maybe if I use 3 NCUs, she'll be better. But with just 2 NCUs, there's very little room where I can sacrifice a zone in order to grab a card. So maybe if I have 3 NCUs, I'll be able to use her better. But with 2 NCUs, she's a bit tricky to use.
So yeah, I guess that's some showcase. We'll be back next week with some more battle reports, and I guess stay tuned. Of course, always wear your mask if you're going outside. Please follow your government local health regulation. Stay safe and happy wargaming.